Welcome to Vegan 101 Teen Book Talk. My name is Julie and I'm a librarian with the Elyria Public Library System. Our summer reading theme is Tales and Tales, and so today we're going to talk about a few nonfiction books written by some young people that let you know about being a vegan. A vegan is a person who does not eat or use any animal products. Many people become vegan because they care about animals, they care about the environment, or they care about their health. Our first book is Be More Vegan, The Young Person's Guide to Going a Bit More Plant-Based by Niki Webster. It was published in March of 2021, and it is written for 7th to 9th graders and is 128 pages. It has 3 sections: Why Be a Vegan, and Be a Vegan, Be Healthy, that breaks down nutrition needs for teens. And then part 3 is Vegan Kitchen and lists recipes for breakfast and dinner and snacks. The mini flatbread pizzas look delicious. Our second book is Living Lively, 80 Plant-Based Recipes to Activate Your Power and Feed Your Potential by Haile Thomas. Haile was the youngest graduate from the Institute for Integrative Nutrition as a certified integrative nutrition health coach at age 16. At age 19, she published this cookbook. She speaks to kids and groups worldwide. Her family started eating healthier because of her dad's diabetes diagnosis. Her cookbook talks about 7 points of power: wellness, world perspective, media and societal influences, thoughts and spirituality, education, relationships, and creativity and giving. She interviews other young people making a difference to living lively. She has over 80 delicious recipes like potato nachos with green chili cheese sauce on page 212. Our third book is Simply Delicious Vegan, 100 Healthy Plant-Based Recipes by Shoemaker, the blogger of From My Bowl. She's got tons of views on Instagram and YouTube. She grew up as a vegetarian, but became a vegan in college and started making budget-friendly meals for busy students. Many of her recipes are also gluten and sugar-free. The pages are super colorful and the recipes are clear and easy to follow. Try the PB&J smoothie cubes on page 24. And our fourth book is Plants Only Kitchen, over 70 delicious, super simple, powerful, and protein-packed recipes for busy people by Oakley, published in May 2020. Gaz became a chef at age 15. He is from the UK, and this is his third cookbook. It's got everything from Caribbean waffles to a sweet potato burger. He has easy 15-minute meals, one-pot meals, and things that are a meal prep star. His one meal prep video has over 6 million views alone. So check out some of his Instagram and YouTube also, along with his other cookbooks. If you enjoyed this book talk and would like more information or any of these books, click the links below to place a hold. If you would like to sign up for our Tales and Tales summer reading program, you can do so online or in person. For every 5 books a teen reads, you get a grand prize entry. Thanks for listening today, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more virtual programming. Thanks. Bye.